Hi, I'm Murtaza, a mechanical engineer at Team Vegapod. Propulsion gives us speed, but we carry the pod. Our team is developing an electromagnetic levitation system that lifts the pod entirely off the track, allowing it to glide.
Hi, I'm Udav Hirde, a mechanical engineer at Team Vegapod Hyperloop. We make digital dreams become reality. If the pod is running securely and holding it everything together, it is because of us.
Hi, I'm Akhilesh. I'm the mechanical engineer in Team Vegapod Hyperloop. I'm currently working on chassis, which is the only thing which keeps all the components stable, and it is the skeleton of our pod.
Hi, my name is Pratyushan. I am a structural engineer at Vegapod Hyperloop. In a nutshell, we are builders. We take digital blueprints and convert them into physical realities. From chassis, stability to braking, we do it all. We manufacture and assemble the core of the pod.
Hello, I'm Ansh, a levitation engineer at Team Vegapod Hyperloop. Propulsion gives us speed, but we give the pod flight. Our levitation system is responsible for lifting the pod off the track, eliminating friction and allowing it to glide.
Hello everyone, my name is Prachit. I'm the propulsion engineer in Team Vegapod. Simply put, we are the engine. Our team's job is to make an electrical motor which accelerates our pod to greater speed. We live and breathe magnets, motors and raw power.
Hi, my name is Sanchit Baral. I'm the propulsion engineer at Team Vegapod Hyperloop. You wanna know how the pod moves? That's us. We are the propulsion team. We design the linear induction motor that throws the pod down the track. We don't deal in horsepower, we deal directly in electromagnetic force.
Hello everyone, I am Vedant Thorat, a mechanical engineer at Team Vegapod Hyperloop. So I am in charge of making the aeroshell, which is the outermost body of the pod, which makes it aerodynamic. So it is supposed to be strong, durable, lightweight.
चल क्या ना देखो सामने